And I guess I'm gonna just use this for another video. So we just gonna run it. Cause we got to get 10 minutes of this video anyway. Alright. So I'm using this Kiss right here. Darkest brown. And here's my bottle. It has some water in there. Y'all can see where the water's at. So I haven't even opened up this Kiss in so long. A little 50-50 mix. Should be just about right. Put over here. Top on. I'm gonna just shake it until I feel comfortable with it, you know. Empty out. Actually, I gotta empty this out. Yeah, I'm gonna empty this out. Alright, trash can. Alright. Get the rest of that out that was in there. Alright, should be good. So, I'll go ahead and see. It looks a little thick still. She look a little thick still. This is still a little thick. I put some more water in there. I'll put some more water in there. Manually, just thing. It was good enough. Spraying, so it's not spraying as like clean as I would want it to, but that's due to my mixture. I know it is. I mean, I guess I should get it right for YouTube because somebody will say something. Well, you should add more. Let's go ahead and do it now. Well, they roast me in the comments and know how to mix. Go ahead and do it right. Alright, this should be enough. Gotta get the extra out. Oh, I just spit on my hand. Still feels a little thick, but whatever. Can't be perfect. This is a card. I'm using my business card, so. You know, I'm gonna just use with my business cards and get this in. Wish I could see this closer, but it's the best I can do. That's as close as it's really gonna get. I just want to spray like 8 inches away. It's spraying good. Spraying a lot though. I didn't really adjust this gun, so it's spraying at me. That's why I gotta adjust this. It's powerful, man. Powerful. That's better. I know some people you don't have to spray heavy, but I usually just spray heavy on mine, I ain't gonna lie. A little darker, so make sure you can see that jump. Because this shit was sprayed from the line and go away from the line. Go away from the line. This spray right here, a little bit goes in your hairline, so that way it's not heavy in the edges. You have to see that. Okay. Pretty much what I'm doing is I'm spraying my hairline and then I'm going towards this part of the car, like right in the middle. Sometimes I hate just get a little closer to the line. Because sometimes you have to hit like right. I gotta slow this. I want y'all to see. Sometimes you have to hit right on the edge of the car, right here. So then that just a little bit hits your line. Let's see. Because you don't want to be too heavy. You want to barely hit. It probably seemed like I was spraying a lot, but I was pretty much trying to get the aim right. Yeah, that's how you do it. But I'm using fibers today. We're gonna do a little extra today. We'll do a little extra today. I use fibers in a minute, but today is special. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be careful with fibers because them things is. Alright, this is where this comes in. You see I got the fibers on there, right? It's a lot different. Now I got the hairline with this hairspray so it holds. But I don't want it to hold this, so I'm gonna cover it. You put the hairspray so it can lock the fibers in place. What I'm gonna do now, hair dry again. And the reason that you wanna put the, instead of me just using the enhancements, which is the Kiss or 245 or whatever you use, whatever color enhancement you use, the reason I put it on there before the fibers is because the fibers are the first thing that's gonna fall off. So you wanna have that underneath so that at least it, you know, you keep that look. And we're using cool air. Now the fibers are locked in, we ain't gotta worry about those falling off. It's gonna last you, if you take care of it, it's gonna last you probably about, honestly, like 2 or 3 days. And then the application for the enhancement is gonna last you probably, it could last you up to 5, but it all depends. There's another brand that's out right now. Look, all I gotta do is just dust it off. Boom. I'm at the trim now, see? Let me just hit my line again. This light over here so I can see. Let's re-hit my hairline. These are not my hitters. These are not set to be super hitters. But I did the job. And I did that because I don't want to irritate my skin or keep going over the same parts and cause the skin to tear by keep going over it. Because I just did a full haircut. If y'all didn't see me do a full haircut with the StyleCraft Apex. Oops, tripping. And that didn't happen. And then that's how you put on enhancements, man. Shout out to Quevina. So y'all can see that. Shout out to Quevina. Oh my gosh. I got the free. It's like a manual focus or something? What the heck is going on? Hold on, what's going on? I don't know what's going on with this. It's only like matter of focus. Shout out to Quevina, man. This is a really good product. Kiss, really good. If you guys want to use that enhancement, like I said, there's some other stuff coming out, or there's some other stuff already out. I'm gonna be trying to get my hands on it so I can review it for y'all. Try to get some people to send me some stuff or whatever. But yeah, if y'all haven't seen that video, make sure y'all look at the Stylecraft video. I used I'm not sure when you're watching this video, but for this haircut, I used the Apex from Stylecraft, and I used the X Evo. So let me know what y'all think. Hey man, it is what it is, man. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. That's how you put on enhancements. Yourself, do it yourself. You feel me? I'm looking right? Looking right? Hey, see y'all next one, man. Peace.